Uh, so we are going to dive into the third exercise of 3D modeling. Uh, Here we are focusing on 3D features, 3D modeling features in SolidWorks. And in this practical, so we are focusing on creating a Acme thread. Okay, so we will move on to that part. So this is so normally when you talk about threads, so there are different types of threads available. So one is square threads and acme threads, and then we have buttress threads. So there we have different profiles. So this is for the criteria for acme thread profile. So we are using this profile to create our thread. So we have standard V-type threads. So likewise, we have different types of threads. So you have to know about this thread terminology as well when creating a thread. So those are the things you have to know. So here in this text, they have outlined how to create this step by step. So we will go to that part. So here we need to start a part with, so I will first show you the final output. So this is our final output of the thread ball. Okay, threaded ball. So we are going to do this by step. Uh, so in here we need to consider. So we need to change our unit systems to IPS and then 5 decimal places. So we have to create this with the accuracy of 5 decimal places. So we will go to SolidWorks. So I have started SolidWorks. So we will create go to a new part, and then we have this IPS system. So you go to edit documents. So here you change it to 5 decimal places, 5 decimal places, and click OK. So now we are in that unit system. So the next part is we need to create a sketch on right plane. We have to draw a circle at the origin and diameter is 1. So we need to extrude it to 5 inches. Okay, so final output is like this. So select right plane, select sketch, click on this circle command, and then click here. So this is 1 inch. Dimension it to a 1 inch diameter. And then go to features, go to extrude boss. Then we have 5 inches. Okay. So the next part is we have to create this for tolerance. So we need to have this kind of tolerance. So we need to have this value. So on the we have to draw a circle on this side, left side, 0.9855 diameter. So I will select this face and go to a sketch. So I will activate circle tool. So then smart dimension tool. So I am using this wheel. So give it a value of 0.9855 and click OK. And then we need to go to this Extrude Cut command with the depth of 3.25. So we are removing the other material. So not this one. So we are removing this small part. So go to Features, Extrude Cut command. So you can flip the side and give it a value of 3.25 and click OK. So we have this kind of output here. So the next part is that we need to create a chamfer. So chamfer length is this much. So they have calculated this using the formula. Uh, so for a pitch, we need to have this much of the chamfer. So you select the chamfer tool and give this as your chamfer size. So here we have this under fillet. So you click here. So we have this chamfer and we select this edge. And so we need to add the value 0.0767 and click OK here. So here, this is your chamfer. Okay. So now we will so we need to make the plane. So the thread website to make the thread start left. So we need to create this kind of a plane. Okay. So go to this reference geometry and we need to select this point and uh, so next we need to create a reference plane here. So you go to this reference geometry under features tab. So here go select a plane. So select this plane, this edge, and give it a value of 0.125 and click OK here. So now we have this plane. So we can use this plane to create our other reference geometries. So, so to make the thread, we are using this sweep uh, features. For that, we need to create two parts. You have to create its path and the profile. Okay. Uh, what we have to do is first we will create this profile. So to create this profile, we need so so the path is a spiral. To create a spiral, we can use this helix and spiral command. But for that, we need to have an sketch. So select this plane and click the sketch command and go to this convert entities and select the larger diameter of this uh, plane and click OK here. So you will have this circle projected to this plane 1. And then what you have to do is you have to go to this helix. We need to go use this helix and we are giving this height and pitch, constant pitch. So you have to give these values. So go to these features, go to curves, helix and spiral. So we give height and pitch. So height is 3.25 and the pitch is 0.125. 0.125. So you have to reverse the direction, and the starting angle is 270. So 270, and the thread should be in clockwise direction. So this is 270 degrees. Uh, so start here and click OK. So we have created the spiral. And the next part is we have to create the profile. So to create the profile, we need to select the front plane and do this sketch. Okay, so you need to create this sketch. So go to the front plane, select this sketch command. Okay, so we need to draw two center lines. So one is starting here and going to this side. The other one is starting these two lines. Okay. And then what you have to do is, so you have to select this as your dynamic mirror tool. So dynamic mirror is, so you can actually create symmetric components easily by creating one side. Uh, so you can, without mirroring the entity, so you can directly use that one. Go to this tools, sketch tools, you select this dynamic mirror. So select this one. So now we are having that one. So we have to create this sketch. Okay, so these have been calculated as per the previous values. So you can create those values. Uh, so so I will go to this line tool, select this one. So now we have to give the dimensions as necessary. So this value, so this one, so this is the thread depth, so that is 0.0767. Okay, so this is the other line. So this length is 0.156. 0.0156. So the next part is, so this length, this one and this one, it is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So you need to connect this two line as well. Okay. So small depth. So we will dimension this value as well. So here to here we will give a small value 0.5. So it is not needed, but so we will make a fully defined sketch. So now we have created two sketches. One is for the path of the sweep, and the other one is for the profile that it will sweep through. So now we will go to features. Go to features. That I think we have to exit this sketch. So we need to exit this sketch. So click here where you have the exit sketch. And now select this swept boss sweep cut. Okay, so go to this sweep cut, and so profile you can select this spiral. Okay, so it is showing the preview, so you can click OK here. Okay, so after creating this, you can hide these things. So we don't need to show all the things. So you can uh, hide. So we will have so now we have created this part. So now we have to create the bolt head. Okay, so this is complete thread. So now you have to make the head of the bolt. So we have to change at the sketch on right face and draw a hexagon like this. Okay, so we need to draw hexagon with this diameters. Okay. Uh, okay, so go to this sketch. Go to a sketch. So I am selecting the right face. So here you select this polygon, and here we have at 6, and you can select this as your edge. Okay. So now you select this point and make them horizontal. So between these two, so you select one with two edges and set it to 1.5. Okay, and go to features, extrude boss. So here we are given the value. So this is 39 divided by 64. So the thread, we need to have that kind of value. So you just type like that. So it will automatically calculate the value for you, and click OK. Okay. So now we have the head, but we need to remove the other edges. So to do that, we have to do a extrude cut command. The next part is we have to do like this. Uh, so we need to remove that other part. So for that, we need to use Revolved Cut feature. So to do that, we need first we will need to create a sketch here. Uh, Draw a tangent circle. Okay, so the right plane. So draw a tangent circle. Okay, So, and then in the top plane, we have to do the other part. So here, click here and draw a circle. So you select the circle tool and draw like this. So here, select the circle and holding control, you select this one line and make them tangent. So use a tangent relation. So we still do like this and select the top plane. So top plane, go to a sketch. So look normal to. So you make delete this. So we will now create this one. Um, so so select top plane and do a sketch. So so we need to draw a line. So here we uh, first we need to create this sketch here. Draw a tangent circle and select one line here, one side, and this circle, and make a tangent relation and make OK. So to select both the entities, so I have hold the control key and then select by holding the control key and selecting the entity, so I can do that. So the next part is, so we going to exit this sketch, and after that go to this top plane, select the top plane and make a sketch here. Okay, so you can see the created sketch. This is the circular circle sketch that we have done. So draw a select this line tool and so select, okay, and so select this this sketch and this point and make this pierce relation and click OK. And then we have to add these values. So this is 35, 0.35 and angle of 30 degrees. Uh, so this is 0.35, and here this angle, this line and this line is 30. After creating this sketch, and also you have to create this axis as well. So you draw a center line from here to here. So this is used for other purposes. So go to features. So you select this revolve cut feature. So it will select the necessary components together. Automatically they will select the line as the axis of rotation and the sketch. So click OK. So then you will create this as your board. Okay. Uh, uh, so this is for creating the board, and then we have to create the nut as well. Okay. Uh, so to create that nut, we have to use this one. So I will explain you at that one in the next video. Okay. So we will meet in the next video where we create the corresponding nut for the board.